I'm so excited because today, kicking off a little Valentine's makeup series. So for the next 3 days, I'll be creating a brand new Valentine's look. So every single day using some of the goodies from my recent haul. So if you're looking for a little Valentine's makeup inspo, whether you're going out, staying in, or just feeling extra cute, I got you. Before we start, I have to show you these cute earrings I picked up from Walmart. I got these cute little conversational hearts. And then these ones that say love. Like, how adorable. I thought these are so perfect for this little Valentine's series. I also picked up a cute little sweater. Let me go grab it. Also from Walmart, I picked up this XOXO sweater. I'm a big fan of leopard print, and red is my favorite color. Okay, let's get into skincare because my skin has been so dry lately. Like, no matter how much moisturizer I slap on, it still feels tight and thirsty. So today I'm going full hydration mode. This is a skincare prep I'm using to bring my skin back to life. And I'll be sticking with this routine for the rest of my looks too. First step, Bioderma micellar water. I love this stuff because it's super gentle and doesn't strip my skin. So it gives me that fresh, clean feeling without leaving my face tight or dry. Plus the no rinse required, which is a win for those mornings when I need to be quick. So next up, a good hydrating mist. You guys, this one is a must. So the Heritage Store Rose Water and Glycerin Facial Mist is so good when my skin is going through it. So the glycerin helps lock in moisture and the rose water is super soothing. Now for some real hydration, Aveeno Complex Restore Triple Oat Serum. If your skin ever feels tight, irritated, or just mad at you, this serum is a lifesaver. So the oat complex is amazing for calming everything down and strengthening the skin barrier. So I have been loving how lightweight but effective it is. For hydration and protection, I'm going in with one of my favorites. It's the Rockberry Renew AM Moisturizer SPF 30. So this keeps my skin plump, happy, and protected from the sun without feeling heavy or greasy. And for a final hydration boost, I'm misting on the Morphe Continuous Prep and Set Setting Mist Plus. I have been obsessed with this lately. Like, I love using it on its own. Today, I'm using it before makeup to give my skin that extra moisture it's craving. All right, skin is prepped, hydrated. Now let's get into today's Valentine's look. For today's look, I'm thinking something soft and romantic. So think first date, daytime Valentine's look, or just something super soft and pretty for everyday wear. Now I have a few eyeshadow options, but for this one, I'm thinking the e.l.f. Bite Size palette in Rose Water. So it's got the prettiest pinks and mauves, so super flirty, super wearable, especially if you have fair to light skin tones. You know what? I think I'll use a different bite-sized palette for each look in the series. They're just too good. And it'll be fun to see how they each bring a different Valentine's vibe. So since my skin has been so dry lately, I thought it would be perfect time to try out the Makeup Forever HD Skin Hydra Glow Foundation. So it's supposed to be super lightweight with a soft, natural glow. So no heaviness, no cakiness, just healthy, hydrated looking skin, which is exactly what I need right now. So I picked up one N14 Beige. This has a very liquidy formula, and it does have a light fragrance to it. So let's see how it holds up. All right, let's get into the eyes. So this Rose Water palette is so pretty and literally perfect for today's look. So it's got those soft pinks, dreamy mauves, and just the right amount of shimmer to give that effortless romantic vibe I'm going for. But since I have a light to medium skin tone, I already know these shades will be extra soft without a base. So to really bring out the colors and make everything pop, I'm using the Profusion Eyeshadow Primer in Neutral. This is good for making shadows show up with full intensity and then keeping everything in place all day. So grabbing that matte mauve shade, I'm packing it into the crease and softly blending it out. This adds just the right amount of depth without being too intense. Next, I'm patting that shimmer pink all over the lid. Now just a tiny bit of the dark glitter shade in the outer corner. Not too much, just enough to shape the eyes and give a subtle flick of a wing. You guys, look what just happened. I'm gonna try to fix it real quick. So a little pop of the lightest shimmer right in the inner corner. Let's curl those lashes. I'm using my Shiseido Lash Curler because it gives a perfect lift without pitching. Now time for mascara, lots of it. Or if you're feeling extra flirty, pop on some wispy lashes for even more flutter. That soft romantic flush, I'm going in with a rosy blush. So a little on the cheeks, maybe a touch across the nose. And for the lips, I'm thinking a glossy pink moment. So first I'm lining my lips with ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Oh Snap. It's this beautiful muted pinky nude. Then for that hydrated glossy finish, I'm topping it with Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Moon. It's a stunning nude pink with multicolored pearls that give the perfect soft shimmer. I'm going to go ahead and change my top, probably throw in a pair of those earrings and throw in a wig because I am doing a no heat on my hair right now. So I don't feel like styling. So I'm going to go throw on that wig and I will be right back. And that's it. Soft, romantic, and so easy. So this look is perfect for a date, brunch, or just one of those days when you want to feel extra cute. So hope you love this one and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Okay, it's day 2 of my Valentine's makeup series. So yesterday I went soft and romantic, but today I have no idea what we're even doing yet. yet. But one thing I do know is the Berry Bite Size palette is calling my name. Like those raspberry tones, they're flirty, bold, and perfect for a date night, or honestly, a fun girls' night out. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. So skin's already prepped, so let's jump straight into the base. So starting off with e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. And let me tell you, this stuff so smoothing. Like my skin just looks blurred, velvety, and so good. So I mainly focus it on my T-zone, cheeks, and chin. So basically anywhere I want that extra bit of blur. So for foundation, I'm testing out the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation in 31 Medium Neutral. So it's a little deeper than my winter shade, but you know what? We're making it work. This eye look, oh, it's going to be rich and sultry and all kinds of Valentine's vibes. First things first, eyeshadow primer. So I'm using Profusion eyeshadow primer in neutral. So this step is a must if you want your shadow to stay put all night. Next up, liner. So I'm using Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Waterproof Eyeliner in Alkaline. So this deep reddish plum liner is so good, and I'm running it along my upper lash line and waterline. Now for the fun part. So I'm starting with the soft matte and sweeping it through my crease with a fluffy brush. Now I'm packing that deep red shimmer right onto the lid. A flat brush works, but honestly, I love using my fingertips for max color payoff. To add depth, I'm blending a little of the burgundy matte into the crease and outer corner, and then smudging that deep berry matte along the lower lash line gives it that soft, smoky vibe. For that final touch, I'm tapping the rose shimmer right onto the lash line for a bright lifted effect. If you want to go all out, throw on some fluffy lashes, but I'm keeping it simple today, just curling my lashes and layering a few cuts of mascara. Now for the cheeks. So I'm using Sephora Colorful Blush in 17 Hate Jealousy. This deep berry shade ties the whole look together. For lips, I'm using Sephora Lip Combo in Rose Nude, and honestly, it's a perfect in-between shade, so not too warm, not too cool. And here's the finished look. This raspberry tone glam is bold, romantic, it's so good for a Valentine's date night. So what do you think? Would you wear this look? Let me know in the comments. It's day 3, the final look in this Valentine's series, and guess what? It's also Valentine's Day. So we're going full sultry and smoky using the e.l.f. Bite Size palette in Truffles. This one's for my bold makeup lovers, the ones who want that smoky dramatic eye that's perfect for a romantic night out, or just feeling extra glam. Me, no fancy plans tonight, just a cozy movie night, pizza and snacks. So let's get into it. Okay, skin's prepped and primed, so let's jump straight into foundation. So today I'm testing out Bobbi Brown Weightless Skin Oiling Controlling Foundation SPF 15 in beige, and I'm so curious to see how this wears. I'm starting off with my Sephora 64 foundation brush, buffing it in for that even seamless blend. Then I'm going over everything with a damp sponge just to really press it in and make sure everything looks flawless and skin-like. We're going all in on this sultry smoky moment. Starting with the soft tone matte and blending it through the crease, this gives everything a nice diffused blend. Then going in with that chocolate matte, I'm packing it onto the lid with a dense brush and then deepening things up with the black matte, just pressing it into the outer corner and blending it upward for that lifted effect, and then smudging the taupe and black shades together for that soft smoky under eye moment. Finally, tapping the silver shimmer into the inner corners for that extra glow and contrast. You know we need falsies for this look. Throwing on a pair of full wispy lashes, a few coats of mascara to blend everything in. So since the eyes are doing the most, we're keeping the cheeks soft and sculpted. I'm using Lower Gala Baked Blush in bronze and ginger bronze. With such a bold eye, the lips are staying soft and neutral, so I'm lining my lips with Sephora's new brown lip liner for that perfectly defined pout, and then a swipe of L'Oreal Coloriche in Ferris Nude. And that's it, the final Valentine's look. Sultry, smoky, and just the right amount of drama. So would you wear this for a night out, or are you like me, looking cute for a pizza movie night? Either way, happy Valentine's Day.